Planning to sell or give away your MacBook Neo, or just want a fresh start? Then you need to do a proper factory reset to safely erase all contents, settings, and data. So let's walk through step by step exactly how to hard reset your MacBook Neo. So first, it's recommended to log out of your iCloud account. You'll be asked to do this during the reset process anyway, but we'll do it manually first. Click on the Apple logo at the top left. Go to System Settings, click on your profile, scroll all the way down, and hit the Sign Out button. Now, just follow the on-screen prompts to log out of your iCloud account. Once that's done, go back to the General section in Settings before moving ahead with the factory reset, which will erase all your data and settings. You have the option to take a backup. Go to Time Machine, and if you want, you can back up all your data from here. If not, just go back, scroll down to the bottom, and select Transfer or Reset. Then click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now, enter your MacBook's screen lock password and click Unlock. Just click Continue. You'll now see a list of all admin and user accounts that will be erased along with their data. Click Continue. Finally, click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now, the reset process will begin. Your Mac will turn off, and then you'll see the Apple logo with a progress bar on the screen. Once the process is complete, you'll land on this exact screen. If you're planning to give it away, you can simply turn it off from here. But if you want to set up your MacBook Neo again, click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top right corner. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect to it. Once it's connected, click on Restart. You'll now see the Hello screen in different languages. Just follow the on-screen prompts to set up your MacBook Neo again. And that's how you can safely factory reset your Mac Neo. Thanks for your time.